大家好，欢迎来到 Daily Mandarin. I'm your host and native Mandarin speaker. Every episode, we learn one useful Mandarin word or phrase that you can start using right away. Today's word is 会. 会. It means can or know how to. Let's learn how native speakers use it. The character is 会. 会. Say it with me. 会. Again. 会. One more time. 会. Now let's look at the tone. 会 uses the fourth tone. It starts high and drops sharply. Listen and repeat. 会. 会. Next, let's build your Mandarin. You've already learned 我, which means I. Now add today's word, 会, means can or know how to. Let's try a few examples. 我会游泳. 我会游泳. I can swim. 我会开车. 我会开车. I can drive. 我会做饭. 我会做饭. I can cook. The pattern is simple. Once you know this pattern, you can talk about many things you know how to do. Here's something interesting about today's word. You'll often hear people say, 不会. But it doesn't always mean, I don't know how. For example, if someone asks, 你会游泳吗? Can you swim? You can answer, 不会, meaning, I don't know how. But here's another common use. Imagine your friend is worried and says, 他会生气吗? Will he be angry? You might comfort them by saying, 不会啦, meaning, no, don't worry, or I don't think so. So the same words, 不会, can have different meanings depending on the conversation. That's one of the fun things about learning Mandarin. And that's your daily Mandarin word, 会. 会. Practice it 3 times with me. 会. 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 好，大家下次见咯. See you next time, everyone. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a lesson.